Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Pixel 6a. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and welcome again. This is the Pixel 6a unboxing, and I just got it just a few minutes ago. I posted a few pictures on Instagram and Twitter, and now we are here working on the video for this actual unboxing here. So Google sent us this Pixel 6a in this nice little box. I don't think it came with Pixel Buds, unfortunately, but because the Pixel Buds are coming out, but they are coming out with on a bundle, like on Best Buy and stuff like that, where you purchase the Pixel 6a, you can actually get a bundle where you get, I think, the Pixel Buds for free actually. So here's the box. I just want to show you guys the box really quick. And again, I'm super excited. Google always has a very colorful box. And I don't know, let's just get to it. I have the Pixel 6 Pro and the 5a in the background just so you guys can kind of see key differences of the actual phone here. But I guess let's go ahead and get the unboxing going here. All right, so we're going to kind of go for a over-the-top headshot here. Not really, but box is pretty simple to open. Let's go ahead and get this going. And I'm hoping they sent me the white one or at least the black one. I'm not a fan of that greenish color here. But let's go ahead and take a look here really quick what it says. A kit as helpful as the Pixel 6a. You own the real Google Assistant and augmented reality on board. And of course, your new Pixel 6a. And again, did you just teleport into the year 2048? Scan to activate the AR filter experience. Interesting. Okay. So, okay. I'm excited here. I'm excited because I did get the white version of this, and I'm super stoked that, you know, they sent me this color because I think it's an awesome color, by the way. The panda color, basically. I'm a huge fan of the panda color pixels. Super excited to get this phone going, and again, super easy unboxing. Let's put this aside really quick. Let's see what else came inside the box, if anything else. There's nothing else in here, okay? So I'm assuming everything is going to be in this one box. So let's go ahead and just put this back up really quick for you guys. Okay, so right off the bat, I can tell you that this has a very thin box, so I'm going to assume that there is no charger that came with this, and I guess Google is starting to copy the methods that you know, Apple has, and maybe even Samsung with the whole no charger in the box type deal now, which again, you know, we all have a lot of chargers just sitting. I do have a fast watt charger, I believe, that came with the Pixel 5a, so if I need a charger, I'll go ahead and use that. But let's go ahead and get this going, guys. I'm super excited. And again, I have the Pixel 6 Pro right there to compare, and just keep in mind my left arm is still kind of injured, so I might not be using it as much in this video. It does hurt, so let's go ahead and pop the phone out. Okay, at least we got a charging cable in here. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's just probably in the instruction manual, but I like how it always comes with like these little USB dongles. So let's go ahead and get this. Okay, ASMR time, guys. So wow, okay, beautiful device. Oh my gosh, here we go. Yeah, let's go ahead and get that angle for the thumbnail, but feels really good in the hand. It's definitely not as big as the Pixel 6 Pro, so let's just compare it really quick to the Pixel 6 Pro here. Pixel 6 Pro, obviously bigger size screen. I've heard that the battery hump, or not the battery hump, but the camera hump on the Pixel 6 Pro is a little fatter than on the 6a. Now, of course, I do have the case on here, so it's not as noticeable with the case, but I have heard that the hump on this is a little bit smaller. So the phone feels nice. I really wish they would have sent a case with this, obviously. I'm going to have to order an aftermarket case, I guess, because they did send one with the Pixel 6 Pro. Regardless, pretty cool. Again, it's a pretty color. You know, I can't tell you if this is a glass back or polycarbonate. I'm going to have to look more at the specs. Beautiful device, though, and I'm going to assume it's going to be running Android 12. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sites here. So no colored power button, unfortunately. This is something that you would actually get with the other A-series phones. So like the Pixel 5a has a colored button, and so did the 4a, and so did the 3a to my knowledge. So this one looks kind of just, I wouldn't say plain, but it blends in. The sides feel very plasticky, not so much aluminum-y. See the bottom here, you got that two-tone you know, speaker grill with the USB Type-C. Nothing on the left side, and no headphone jack, surprisingly. So let's go ahead and get this turned on. I am going to swap over my my visible sim into this device so I can check that out. Oh, sorry, I was pressing the power button, or not the power button, but the volume button. Let's see if I can get this turned on. It might not have a charge. Let's see. I actually might have to connect this for a few minutes because I'm not getting any power out of this. Or maybe I was pressing the right button. Nope. Let's try again. Let's try this again, guys. Oh, there we go. I don't know why. That one took a while to get going. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video really quick, because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to transfer over. I'm not going to set up the phone as a new phone. What I usually do is I transfer over stuff from over here to, from the other Pixel phone to this phone, so that way I can have almost the same setup. As you can see here, the camera notch is in the middle. I'm not really a fan of the middle, but it really doesn't look too bad. I'm hoping that the Android software lets you integrate it a little bit. But wow, okay, let's go ahead and get this set up, guys. And for those of you who are wondering what I'm doing as far as copying data over, I'm actually copying my data over from the Pixel 6 Pro to the new device. Again, that way I don't have to, again, set it up. You know, it's going to have all the apps that I normally use. And what you usually do for that is you just connect the two USB connectors from one phone to the other, and then when you're setting up the initial phone, it'll actually again give you the option to copy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and press copy. You do have to put in my fingerprint sensor here. Let's try that again. And it says copying your account. So it's going to copy my accounts, and then it's going to copy most of the stuff. Now, it will give me the option to copy like pictures and videos. I'm going to not copy the photos from this phone to this phone just so that I can have it. But we'll go ahead and let this continue. It's going to take a few minutes to set up, though. So let's go ahead and get that ready. All right, guys. So the copying is complete, or at least I hope it's complete. It just says getting your phone ready. Let me move the box over because I need to look at a tab here. And I just wanted to go over the specs on this, the Pixel 6, the 6a really quick. And my my Google Pixel 6 Pro is over here in the background restarting because I actually was updating the Android 13 beta on it. So again, guys, just to give you a few specs here. First of all, this one isn't even released. So again, shout out to Pixel for sending this device out. Team Pixel again, gift from Google, hashtag gift from Google, right? Again, the release date, it says July 21st. Now, it's already past the 21st. It's actually, I believe, on the 28th, I believe, of this month. So it just says swipe up to navigate. Try it. Let's see. Swipe up, home. And wow, okay. Here we go. Let's see if I can get a better angle there. There we go. Okay, I'm just going to skip this because I already know how to navigate through this and swipe gestures, okay? So it says we're all set. And here's the background so far. I'm honestly intrigued because I thought it was going to copy the background of the phone like it usually does. Usually when you do copy data and stuff, it copies like the background. I'm surprised it didn't copy the background, but that's okay because I kind of like the background on this phone. But again, just to kind of give you guys some specs here, it is a 6.1 inch screen, so definitely it's even smaller than the Pixel 5a, because the Pixel 5a I believe is a 6.3 inch screen. It's got a 2400 by 180 screen, so it's an HD display, 60 hertz refresh rate, so it's not going to be like super amazing, obviously. And I guess I don't know why it has like different stuff for like power director and speed test. I guess it's using different icons there. That's okay. But I think the interesting part is it's still sporting that 12.2 megapixel camera. It's got a 12.2, which is the main, and then an 8 megapixel front, but it's still got two camera sensors in the back. It's running that Tensor chip. It does have 6 gigs of RAM. So, you know, previously the Pixel 5a had 6 gigs of RAM, but it was running the Snapdragon 750G processor, which again is not a slacky processor by any means. Let's take a look here. You know, it's got 128 gigs of internal memory, and I'm pretty positive this is going to be, you know, running stuff in the background. Let's go ahead and just, you know, verify the storage that this came with. So there we go, 128 gigabytes of internal. So no expandable memory, unfortunately, guys. That's just a caveat that you guys get with these Pixel devices. And it's always been that way, even with the Nexus devices. That I guess they're trying to kind of copy Apple's you know, logo with that when it comes to stuff like that. But either way, you know, the device itself, you know, 128 gigabytes I think is pretty solid for what you get. Again, out of the box, it should be running Android 12. So let's go ahead and look at that really quick. And again, it's probably going to ask me to do like a, system update. Look, system updated. So just so, again, so you guys can see Android version 12. And again, I'm going to have to probably go to display and make some stuff bigger because everything looks small to me and I'm kind of blind, if you guys know what I mean. So hold on, let me go ahead and maybe make the lettering a little bit bigger because again, I'm blind, I can't see that well. I'll leave adaptive brightness off. Okay, so font size is already large. I'm gonna have to make it probably the largest because again, my eyesight's not great. Night light will turn on automatically. Now I'll leave that off just because sometimes I think that puts more of a strain on my eye. Okay, we'll just leave that like that for now, guys. And again, just feeling the phone, it's very snappy, I can tell you that much right now. Again, it is updating, and we're gonna have to make more videos on this, obviously. But yeah, again, guys, super awesome looking phone, and the price point for it, a lot of people might enjoy. It's under $500. It's a $449 phone, and it's really not. It's really, I would say, in the budget realm for people that really want a good mid-range device and just don't want to want an amazing camera, first of all, because you're always going to get awesome picture quality from the Google Pixel. Let's go ahead and open up the camera app, right? Don't allow, I don't know, I'm not a fan of the whole location tracking on the camera here. Let's take our first picture with the Pixel 6 Pro or 6a. And okay, hold on. I know the background's kind of washed out right here because of the background here. Let's try this again. Okay, so even though it looks kind of dark on screen, it's gonna look great, guys. I don't know. It's still processing. So interesting though. I've never seen that. I didn't have an issue with that with the Pixel 6 Pro. So, but I guess it processes the actual image to look a little bit better. And here's your after result, guys. Obviously it looks great. Let's go home here. Again, we'll have to look at the camera a little more later on another video, guys. Again, it is setting up all my Google stuff here. So again, just to continue to talk about the phone really quick, again, it's got that 8 megapixel front facing camera. We'll have to test that out later. It's just got a lot of good stuff packed into one thing. Now, one thing that I can give my comment on is Android 12, right? A lot of people have not enjoyed Android 12 as a whole because it's been a little bit buggy and it's just not up to speed where other versions of Android were. At least they were a little more stable. Now, of course, once Android 13 comes out, I'm expecting to see maybe Android 13 to be a little more stable when it comes to apps. Battery life also with the Tensor chip wasn't great, or at least to me on the Pixel 6 Pro it wasn't that great. The battery tends to die out pretty quickly. Considering, so again, guys, this is just a quick overview of the phone, and again, you're not going to see a lot of bloatware. It's a Google phone. You're just going to really get all the Google stuff with it, and that's it. And the phone is unlocked, so I'm actually going to pop in my visible SIM on this device itself, and then we'll get that going. But for now, guys, I really appreciate you guys checking out the unboxing video of the Pixel 6a here. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I am going to leave affiliate links in the description below so you guys can check that out as well, guys. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this via Amazon, again, I'm going to post up my affiliate link down below so y'all can check that out. So again, guys, as always, thank you all for checking out the unboxing with me here on the BTech Review channel. Smash the like button, subscribe, and we'll see y'all next time.